Hello class, today is Friday, May 29th, 2020. And the quote is, I'm empathic when I talk with my classmates. So today we're going to learn phonics E. Okay? So pay attention. You already know that this is letter I. Capital I and small I. So, tú ya sabes que esta letra en inglés se llama I, pero el sonido que hace esta letra cuando la lees o cuando la dices, cuando se encuentra en medio de dos consonantes, es I. Es por eso que, por ejemplo, tú no lo lees vine, sino la pronunciación correcta para estas palabras es bean, fig or teen. Entonces recuerda que cuando tienes la letter I en medio de dos consonantes, su sonido es I, como bean, fig, teen. Open your class book in page 99 and everybody write the short date on the top. And we are going to listen, okay?
Listening 136. Listen and point.
Bin, bin. Fig, fig. Tin, tin.
Listen and repeat.
Bin, bin. Fig, fig. Tin.
Okay, now let's go to exercise number 2. First, you're going to
Listening
listen.
137. Listen and
First, you're going to listen and read, okay?
listening 137. Listen and chant. A big, big fig in a big, big tin. Eat the big fig, put the tin in the bin.
Okay, so play it again and sing it, okay? Now let's go to exercise number 4. You are going to listen to the sounds and join the letters. Pon atención, no te van a decir el nombre de la letra, no te van a decir I o I, te van a decir el sonido que hace cada letra. For example, bean, E, or another example, pen. Number 1, it's all done. Pay attention.
Listening 138. Listen to the sounds and join the letters.
Pin. Pen. Tin. Tin. Pen. Pen. tin,
Okay, class, close your class book and open your workbook in page 99. So here you are going to write the short date on the top and let's answer exercise number 1. Remember, you have to match this letter to these letters, okay? So you match and you write the complete word on the line. So here is bean. Then do the same with the others, okay? And color the drawings. Now in exercise number 3, you are going to color the IG letters red and you are going to color the IN letters green and then you are going to join, okay? For example, this is IG red color, okay? And then, for example, IN, you color this with green and then continue with the others, okay? And also color the drawings. Now, when you finish, close your class book and it's time to work on the worksheet. Okay, so remember, you are going to copy or print this exercise. Recuerda que puedes imprimir o copiar y hacer los dibujos en tu ficha, okay? And then you're going to have family time. Okay, pay attention. You are going to say this using phonics E. Listen. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Now you are going to read it and say it aloud, okay? And that's it for today, class. Goodbye. Have an excellent weekend.